Want to chat with ChatGPT anytime, anywhere? Let me show you how to bring the power of AI to your WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open WhatsApp on your screen. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Can you see it? Tap on it. Here, select the new contact. Now we need to add ChatGPT as a contact. In the name field, type ChatGPT. And for a phone number, enter this number. Hit save when you are finished. Great job! Now you should see a verified badge next to it, which means you are chatting with the official ChatGPT account. Alright, let's get chatting. Type hello and send the message. Watch how fast the ChatGPT responds. I bet it will be an instant, anytime. And there you go, you are chatting with the ChatGPT on WhatsApp. How cool is that? Don't forget you can ask ChatGPT anything, anytime. So this is how to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.